Imagine a man who lived ahead of his time, whose ideas seemed to belong to a distant future, yet who also kept secrets that transcend conventional science. Nikola Tesla, the visionary genius, not only transformed how we understand electricity, but also suggested that the universe operates according to laws we do not yet fully comprehend. Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 held the mystery of the cosmos, and this idea, though often overlooked, might be the key to something much greater. But did Tesla know something the rest of the world has yet to discover? Today, we will explore the life, contributions, and enigmatic thinking of Nikola Tesla, and how his ideas might influence the way you see the world. The solitary genius, Nikola Tesla's contributions. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in what is now Croatia, and from an early age, he demonstrated extraordinary intelligence. His contributions were vast, spanning fields such as electrical engineering, physics, and wireless communication. Many of the modern technologies we now consider essential, like alternating current, AC, and radio, were directly influenced by his discoveries. Tesla was, above all, a visionary inventor. Unlike his contemporaries, he was not content to follow the conventions of science. Instead, he dared to dream of a future where energy was accessible to all, and where the barriers of distance were broken by means like wireless transmission. But behind his innovative mind was a solitary man, often misunderstood and even ridiculed for his ideas. His genius, both fascinating and enigmatic, made Tesla a marginalized figure, even in his own time. Still, he continued searching for answers, trying to understand what he called the secret of the universe, the mystery of the numbers. 3, 6, and 9. Tesla firmly believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were fundamental to understanding the universe. He said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." But what exactly did he mean by this? Many theorists suggest that these numbers are linked to fundamental patterns in mathematics, geometry, and physics. For example, the number 3 appears repeatedly in nature. The simplest geometric shapes are triangles. Time is divided into past, present, and future. Even the cycle of life is divided into 3 phases: birth, life, and death. The number 6, in turn, seems to govern patterns in dynamic systems, such as the hexagons found in beehives, crystals, and the molecular structure of carbon. Meanwhile, the number 9, considered the most complete number, closes the cycle, representing the sum of all the previous numbers from 1 to 8. But Tesla saw something beyond these superficial patterns. He believed that 3, 6, and 9 were deeply connected to the frequency and vibration of the cosmos. According to him, understanding these numbers could help us unlock secrets about energy, resonance, and even consciousness. Was he right? Or was this idea just another of his mysterious reflections, bordering on the mystical? What is certain is that, for Tesla, science and spirituality were not as distant as many think. Tesla's science and spirituality, a man between two worlds. Tesla did not see science as something purely mechanical. For him, physics, mathematics, and engineering were merely bridges that allowed us to reach a deeper understanding of the universe, an understanding that went beyond equations and experiments. He believed in the idea that the universe operated in frequencies and vibrations, and that these invisible energies could be manipulated to transform reality. He also believed that his inventions were inspired by a higher force, something he called Divine intuition. Tesla claimed that many of his brightest ideas came from visions he experienced during moments of deep introspection. He described the human mind as an antenna capable of capturing waves of information that are beyond the reach of normal senses. This blend of science and spirituality was one of the most intriguing aspects of his personality. While other scientists focused on tangible results, Tesla believed in something greater, an invisible reality that governed the physical world. He said, "The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence." This statement alone reveals how far ahead of his time Tesla was. He was not merely creating technologies, he was seeking to uncover the deepest secrets of existence. Tesla and the search for free energy. One of Tesla's most ambitious projects was his quest for so-called free energy, a form of unlimited free energy that could be accessed by anyone, anywhere in the world. He believed that the Earth and the space around it were filled with energy that could be harnessed and distributed without the need for wires or complex infrastructure. This vision materialized in his famous Wardenclyffe Tower, a project aimed at transmitting energy wirelessly over long distances. Tesla believed that if completed, the tower would be able to provide electricity to the entire world, cheaply and efficiently. However, the idea of free energy was too revolutionary for its time. Financiers like J.P. Morgan, who initially supported the project, soon withdrew upon realizing that the provision of free energy threatened the profit-driven business model. Without funding, the Wardenclyffe Tower project was abandoned, and Tesla spent the rest of his life seeking ways to realize his vision. Although he never managed to see his idea of free energy come to fruition, his work inspired generations of scientists and inventors to continue exploring this possibility. Today, many believe that if Tesla had received the necessary support, our relationship with energy would be completely different. He was, without a doubt, ahead of his time, and his vision of a world powered by clean, free energy remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious ideas in history. Nikola Tesla's legacy. Nikola Tesla lived and died without seeing many of his greatest inventions and theories recognized. However, his impact on the modern world is undeniable. His ideas and discoveries not only shaped the technology we use today, but also challenged us to think beyond what is visible and tangible. The mystery of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, his belief in free energy, and his vision of a universe of frequencies and vibrations still resonate in the imaginations of many. He was a man who dared to dream of a different future, a future where science, intuition, and spirituality walked together to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. And now, what can you learn from Tesla? Could his search for answers inspire you to explore the possibilities within yourself? As you reflect on his contributions, ask yourself, what have we yet to discover about the universe and about ourselves? Tesla reminded us that the visible world is only part of reality, and that true power may lie in what we cannot see. His discoveries, ideas, and dreams left a legacy that continues to challenge and inspire us today. Stay curious. Seek more. Who knows? The key to understanding the mysteries of the universe might be in your own hands. And you, are you also on a quest to better understand the secrets that surround us? Share in the comments how your journey of discovery is going. Let's explore together what else the universe can reveal. See you in the next video.